is Nick. We are back at it again, vibe coding until I can move out of my beautiful mother's basement. I am your host with the most, Nick Fedorn! Get in! How are we? Oh my word. Feels good, y'all. Feels good. And of course, Restream, I got running into troubles there, y'all. Running into troubles there. Just making sure my chat can be up and at it. More troubles. Come on in, y'all. Good to see you. 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 Pulling up the stream so I can talk to you beautiful folks. And it's Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. Finally. We back. Nathan, I was thinking about you. I literally thought if you want to test out, you can. Oh, the app finally came out, eh? Here we go. One moment. I'm just pulling up the chat because every time I open up OBS, something else. There's always something else going on. Gotta grind. Yeah, the main important thing is I gotta grind for my exam. I got the stress of that. If you want to test out, you can. W's, Paint, Driver, Nathan, what's up? Oh, baby. Just gotta make sure we're all set, ready to rumble. So we are live, it appears. All right. Is everyone getting comfy here? Working on a Friday night is dedication. We won't be too long. I gotta go at 9 o'clock tonight. Y'all know what I mean. We got ourselves a golf scramble tournament that we have to be ready for this weekend. Guys, I've done a lot of thinking when it came to everything regarding Grok. So I schedule uploaded a car app where I was like, you know what? I'm thinking through this. I think we got to go all in on Grok bot. And I did my thinking. You know what I realized? Like after like 4 hours of thinking about Grok bot is this, my guys. Grok bot, like what is Grok bot offering that like ChatGPT work doesn't offer, that Claude co-work doesn't offer? Like it's just the idea. It's really only the idea that you can work in it like from a different computer, from one of SpaceX's computers. You feel me? And I can't even like find a good reason yet for why I would deem that necessary, you know? And I can't justify $200 a month to Cursor. Like it almost felt disrespectful. I'm like, okay, well, if I do this, I gotta cut out some Claude because I'm not gonna use all this Grok, all this Claude. And then I'm like, well, I can't do that to my boy Claude. Inter-agent communications. Yes, that is somewhat fair. But isn't that just like different skills you could throw in? Like, could you not just send it into one chat and then that just spawns a bunch of sub agents that come back to your main agent that you prompted? Like, isn't that the whole like orchestration process, the whole point of it? Y'all feel me? Claude was our day one. Yeah, we can't cheat on Claude. Like, that's the thing, guys. Like, mind you, Grok is a great mod. The model 4.6 is wonderful. I'm just talking to you guys a little bit about Grok bot. The agents actually talk to each other. But like, can I justify $200 a month for like the 3 times that I might ever use that? Ant Dog! Claude is the champ, Elon is GOAT, but Cursor is hype. This is true. It's like open claw with inter-agent communications. But like, guys, I was playing with it at work, and I'm like, dude, this is co-work. This is literally co-work. So like, yeah, co-work can manage my email, my calendar. I'm like, this isn't new technology. This is literally just paying for SpaceX computers, you know? You feel me? I was playing with it. And then mind you, like there's so many disadvantages in my opinion about like having to go on a different computer. Some trust issues that I got. Oh, my strip light mattress Mac, I broke it. I've had it on for so long, it's dead. And I tried, but spent a lot of time trying to fix that up. All right, so we got a couple things on the agenda today. Like we said, this is gonna be probably just like a 2-hour stream, so it's gonna be a quickie. I know, guys, I'm so sorry. But please have fun on your Friday night. Go do something adventurous. Go do something wild, please. Okay, so we are all up to date on the world of CoLateral. But we're not. I'm gonna have to reset CoLateral, baby. We are gonna be doing a little bit of studying because I am a little stressed about that. But we're here to vibe code. Y'all are here to see some vibe coding. What exactly do you vibe code? Is it random projects? Something you actually need? I am building a structural engineering application, which, like, you know, many of the tools I do use at my work. So I am very passionate about being practical. Okay, none of my changes worked overnight. Okay, one of the big things that we did ask about CoLateral was this. I said, why is it taking so long? And it says there's cut the Chrome MCP timeout of CoLateral sessions. Dang right. This is the big report that it gave me as to why CoLateral is taking so darn long to friggin' do these Claude prompts. Like hour and a half, hour 15 on just some stuff that's like, oh, can you like change this from dark to light? Like, come on, you feel me? Anyways, guys, teach the skills on computer use is pretty cool. Yeah. Nathan says, did you see someone on Twitter launched a different SaaS called CoLateral today? No, they didn't, Nathan. Nice try. They probably named it CoLateral. We are CoLateral. Okay, this is saying cut out the MCP. You're darn right. Let's cut it out, baby, as per that next prompt. Sorry, I forgot to say, this is our first prompt of the day. Send that baby off. I did do one little thing while I was driving. Obviously, don't be distracted. Like it was like a voice thing, hands free. You know what? Anyways. I prompted something along the lines of, I'll pull it up here, chat, I'll pull it up. Oh, I got so many tabs that I refused to close from yesterday. Oh my word. Guys, when I start these live streams, it is quite rare that I actually like get ready for you guys. Like, I'm sorry. I'm currently without my lipstick and makeup. Oh, cheers. We got 1866 subscribers. Who wants to be 1867? While we do that, I'm just literally sorry. I'm so sorry. We're just closing all these things. Application. First prompt of the day is wild, but everyone has one. Everyone who vibe codes, they have one. Ways to earn. Okay, this is cool. So one thing I was trying to play around with is like, all right, what are some better ways that we could optimize our YouTube channel? And I come back home to this artifact and it's like one channel, one niche. And it's saying like everything else on your channel is either like mistitled, off niche, or both. And it's dragging the stream's audience signal with it. Like I was like, what's one way we can kind of clean up our YouTube channel so that it's like, you know, I do want to bring in like one big community here. And so we vibe coded this artifact. Basically, this gave me the solution. It's like, bro, you got to stick to a niche. And that is vibe coding. Like the live vibe coding streams are the entire channel. They're like, look at that. We got like 3,900 views on the streams, and then like uploads aren't too much. And it even showed me on my shorts. Whenever we say, look at that buzzword within vibe coding, Fable 5. This is just like, but a complete claim. It's off niche, but it did well. Claude, look at that. CoLateral, the All-in-One Engineering Workspace. CoLateral, AutoCAD. But then you get to these ones. Let's get started. July's been a great month. Like no subject at all. So we got to fix those. Q-Strike says, I quit my 9-to-5 job. Want to be able to send prompts right now. Got to set it up. Need the chef to be cooking while I'm... Oh, let's freaking go. Way to be at it. Driver, what's up? What's going on? Oh, Paint said, dude, I just wanted to say that I saw that too. Did I get cooked? Guys, someone send me in the Discord this CoLateral on X. I don't believe it. Like, we are CoLateral.engineering. Who do they claim they are? If they're CoLateral.ai, ugh. Anyways, 4 brands, 1 channel, which is like interesting because we got Nick Bops, which is like a joke, right? But it's saying that it's killing my my YouTube channel branding. So as a result, the algorithm isn't gonna send us the right way. The position in 1 sentence. Engineer vibe codes a real product alive every day until it makes money and shows exactly which AI tools he used to do it. So to rebrand our car apps is something that it's suggesting we do. Like, I like the idea of it being a car app, you know? Made facility layout with CAD for my hash lab. Let's go. W's for that. Nick Bops must remain. It's just saying, like, make sure that you're not... Because the thing is, it's just like, this is so new of a channel and so new of a thing we're getting into, guys, that it's like, dude, I don't even know. The algorithm's saying, bro, I literally don't have a single clue where we're going to send your content to. Because we got like yapping. Look at that. It says yapping tells the algorithm it's a vlog. I mean, it is. Your streams say AI engineering, but I yap the whole time when I'm like on stream. Like, guys, I'm disappointed to see this too. The series name eats the title on a phone. Yeah, so this is a big thing. When you read on a phone, you literally got to consider like your biggest words to catch the viewer has to be the first couple, because it's going to truncate. You won't be able to see everything. This is wild, by the way. Like, after I said, like, yeah, do a whole review of my channel, see what we could optimize. Nick, are you going to do a slight pivot in your app? The slight pivot that we're doing is the idea that it's going to be a general, like, CoLateral as a base product is going to be an agentic development environment, like, mostly for engineers, aka like people who are not like critical vibe coders. And then inside of CoLateral, we've already made 50 plus structural engineering tools, but it's like we can sell those tools as an additional expansion pack if they choose to, because obviously engineers like to build their own tools, but if companies want to save the time spent on building all those tools, all that money spent and labor trying to get that done, then they could just like pre-buy our package essentially inside of CoLateral. And eventually, like years down the road, we could expand upon to like mechanical engineers, architects, electrical, etc. Got to get back to work. See ya. Peace out, my man. Okay, so anyways, it is essentially saying, let's retitle a lot of these. But these aren't specific about the yaps, essentially. Maybe the yaps, like, it's basically saying rename the series Vibe Coding Commute. That's kind of cute a little bit. Vibe Coding Commute, number appended, and then it's like just come up with more clickbaity titles there. So we could do that because we do talk about vibe coding. We do talk about like building a business around vibe coding, right? So that's not the end of the world. It is saying stick to our niche. And then shorts, it's saying right here to us, name something in the first 4 words, Claude, Opus 5, Fable. Yeah, okay, that's fair. Never ship a transcript title. Rewrite it. Okay, yeah, I'm guilty. Okay, so we could play around with this. Cut the noise hashtags. Yeah, keep those, but then anything else that's stupid there for sure. I'm not changing the stream titles. Like, they have been perfect. There's no edited evergreen 8 to 12 minute videos, which is exactly the format of strangers searching vibe coding, a real app, or Claude. Bro, I just don't. by the time I do all my streams, it's just I don't have time for these 8 to 12 minute videos. What I was planning is like we could do segments based on our streams that we like recut into these 8 to 12 minute videos. Nick, can you hop in a voice chat? Nathan wants to plug his application. All right. Oh, we're not on Spotify. We're on Nick Bops here. All right, Nathan. All right. We'll hop in a quick chat with you here. All right, we're gonna have to have a quick chat with Nathan. But yeah, guys, some title pivots to this channel. That's all it's gonna be. The content's gonna stay the same. We're still gonna talk in our car about vibe coding. We're still gonna do these streams, and yeah, we're gonna pump out shorts and give everyone highlights of what we're doing. All right, Nathan, I'm just hopping in my voice chat. I see you're already there. Nathan! Wait, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. 1 second. Nathan, I can't hear you. What the heck? Say something. Nathan! Oh my gosh. I'm checking my... Like, guys, I'm here on the Discord. Oh, that's OBS. Oh my word. Come on. Like, I'm here in the Discord. I'm like going to my volume. Max volume there. Discord is clicked. Nathan! Paint's in here too. I can't hear anyone. Nathan! 1 sec. I'm just gonna restart. I don't know, some update I gotta do with Discord or something. Hold on, disconnect. Oh, I'm gonna pause the music entirely, but having no music gives me the heebie-jeebies. Hello? I can't hear anything. Oh, heavens. Guys, I need help. How do we... How do we do this, guys? Utilizing your streams to record videos within the streams, maybe when you're reviewing models or harnesses. Yeah, I think that's the best way to do it, AI Pilled. I still can't hear these guys. Like, mute, deafen. Wait, my head. I don't have any other output source. This is redonkulous, guys. Testing. Bottom left arrow by the headphones. Output device. What about my Toshiba TV? Say something!
Nick.
Hey! There we go. Yeah, we hear you loud and clear. What is up, Nathaniel?
What is up, man? My chat is going insane.
Why? What's going on?
They saw it first. Here, I'll just send it to you.
What, is this CoLateral?
Yes, it's like spelt different, but it's like a really similar project. This is insane, dude.
Are you serious? Like we're getting entirely ripped off?
Dude, I put a screenshot. It was Paint who saw it.
What?
Paint saw it and he sent me a
Let's
screenshot.
go, W's.
Zico! Okay, send me this DM. Send me the link.
I don't have it. Dude. Wait, someone get the link.
What?
Wait, just look it up on Twitter.
Look it up. Guys, I'm scared. And it's like similar to what we're doing?
Dude, read the post.
Cheers to 1867.
It's 1-to-1.
Is this a joke?
Dude, I put a screenshot of the post in the Discord. Read it.
In the Discord. Like in general?
In general. I screenshotted the post.
My heart is like, why am like, what?
The Vibe design tool for real construction.
What the heck is this? CoLateral 2Ls.build.
Yeah, dude. It's like they literally just put an L on it, man.
What the frick?
They just stole your shit, bro.
You could sue, Nick.
What the heck is this? Well, can I? Like, what the heck is CoLateral.build? And they literally have 2 Ls.
2K likes.
What the heck? What? Hold on. We got to go to Twitter. We got a CoLateral.build. Are you kidding me? Where did that come from? What the heck? Like, What? I search up CoLateral.build. There's no website of it. I'm
Wait, Nick.
flabbergasted.
Nick, can you go into my stream right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to your stream, Nathan. Music is off
just
right
tell
now.
me-
This is very sobering. Are y'all seeing
Just
this?
Tell me when you're on my stream.
No, it's just like, hold on. Where are you, Nathan? Are you streaming?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
You gotta be kidding me. What's going on here? Wait, live.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Just let me know when you're on.
I see you, yeah.
Okay, wait. Dude, isn't it crazy how real of images ChatGPT can make of like Twitter posts?
You made that! What the frick? Are you kidding me? Look at this, guys. Look at this. We got played with.
Dude, that was so good.
I looked up
You believed it, man.
CoLateral.build. I'm like, it better got taken down off Google. You friggin' messed with me. I was like, where is this on X? Where is this on Twitter? You fooled me. Because I was like, bro, like, is that possible? Like, someone's agent decided to like scrape the internet for like ripping off people's ideas, and then they came up with this, and then 2,000 likes on Twitter. I'm like, what the heck? Dude, that was so believable too, because it's like it wasn't a perfect copy paste. Like it was just like somewhat of a. So I was like, oh my gosh, like I got to do something about this. Are you kidding me?
Bro's stressing.
We got pranked. We got pranked. Well, when he said like, come check out my stream, I'm like, so he wants to share his screen. I was like, what's going on here? You frickin' frick.
I gotta.
And it's like,
this,
oh
man.
no, he
This is gonna
spelt
go
it
down
wrong.
This is gonna go down in vibe coding stream history.
Dude, yeah, I got trolled. I got played with, y'all. I thought someone stole my idea. And then here's Nathan. It's like, oh, look what ChatGPT did for me. I'm like, you donkey.
Bro, I had his cortisol like super high.
Bro, when you said, isn't it cool how like realistic ChatGPT can be? I'm like, screw that. Like, yeah, they made like, look at this. Like, obviously it's like AI house. I'm like, screw CoLateral.build. Like, they're just ChatGPT images. They're nothing that we're doing. But then, yeah, you were just talking about this tweet. I'm like, yeah, I believed it.
Well, shout out to Paint and Zico.
Shout out to
and
Paint for
FSD Driver
orchestrating
and Anya.
this tomfoolery
Playing
you
along.
guys put me through.
My entire chat helped organize this.
Oh my word. Y'all are quick with
got
that,
you.
eh?
We got you, Nick.
You got me good. Well done, folks. Well done.
I might have to make a video of like how I pulled off the greatest vibe coding prank in history.
Oh, yeah, make it a video. Make it a video. Wait, one of your shorts. This is day 11 of me building an app for the Shipathon.
Dude.
I pranked Nick. Come
I can
on.
make, like-
Cortisol all the way high. Oh my word.
Dude,
Cortisol
I could
maxing.
make a video. Like I could do this to 4 other vibe coding streamers, and the video could be like I pranked 5.
Yeah,
vibe
a
coding
compilation.
streamers. That'd be so funny.
Well, you can't get Paint. Like he knows what's up.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, no sense.
Guys,
Not-
if you
not
get
gonna
any
lie, good
suspicious message from Nathan saying your app was stolen, you know it's a joke. It's got to be a joke. This guy's a prankster.
No, dude. I'll actually turn this into a video.
Yeah? You're
Yeah.
good. Oh
It's gonna
no,
be a
Nick
video.
humiliated.
I gotta do it to a couple other streamers, so don't tell anyone, Nick. You can't tell anyone about this.
I won't. But just saying that this is part of my stream right here, so whoever's in the stream, whoever's on it, they see what's up. Oh my word. Well,
We'll
you
now
got me
begin the
good. Well
push-up
done.
section.
Well done.
Ready? We'll now begin the push-up section.
What are you
Ready?
doing, Paint?
Begin.
Oh, the push-up section. Guys, should I be doing push-ups now?
Bro, Nick has to do push-ups.
I gotta do push-ups because I got fooled.
No,
Get in
I
shape,
want
Nick.
to see 100 push-ups, bro. At least.
Oh, y'all are evil. Oh my word. Well, that was a lot of fun, but thank you.
It was.
But I'm sweating right now out of Because anytime I get stressed, I just sweat buckets, and sure enough, you got me. All right,
dude,
it's push-up time, y'all. It's push-up time. All right, I'll get to it. You got me good. I'll get started. Gotta fix my camera. All right, slightly tilted. Oh well. All right, let's finish up these 20.
New personal record. 16 more and I sleep.
The Riz is in
Dude,
the
it did
reps.
work so good. I gotta do it.
Somebody get this man a towel. Repetition.
Mama, there goes that man.
Again.
Is anyone
4
else
points
live?
plus 100.
This is
Is that it?
The ground says hello again.
It's over 9.
Cardio has entered.
repeat until further.
Giga Chad Proto Legend. Nature is healing.
0 notes.
I
Power
wanna do
level
someone I
rising.
like don't know.
Let's go! Let's freaking go! Cleared those puppies off. Oh. We got fooled within. By the way, this is like the first 15 minutes of my stream too that you do this to me.
Dude, I gotta do. I need to get Sean for sure. That would be funny.
Need to get who? Sorry,
Do you know Sean, the streamer?
Sean.
Yeah, I forget his last name. He does like vibe.
Oh, Sean Scott. Sean Scott. Yeah.
Sean Scott, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta get him.
I'll do him.
Get me
Bro,
on
I
it
could
too.
go
I
for,
want
like,
to
the
screw with him too.
For like the ultimate prank, I could go for Bridge Mind.
You could.
Be like, dude, what is this? Bridge
But I
Voice
think
2.0. Bridge Space 2.0. You launched that?
Someone stole this. Yeah. Well, he's in the middle of launching Bridge 1. So you could do some variation of that. That's his next
Bridge
thing.
1.5.
Well, guys, I got fooled. Oh well.
If you gotta do some studying, you can leave. I just wanted to prank you.
Well, you got me good. I'll find a way to get you back, Nathan.
No, you won't, man.
We
I'll see
will.
what
Guys, we'll find a way. Let me know in the comment section, the chat, how we should get Nathan. Except he'll be in here scouting that out, so never mind. Just DM me, guys.
Yeah, guys, make sure to let Nick know in his public chat.
In here. All right, never mind. All right. Paint's wild and all right, I'm gonna start studying for this exam a little bit and send some prompts out the window. But thank you guys for kind of making my day, but also ruining it.
You gotta tell Brooke about that one.
I will. Well, she'll replay it. What day is this? Oh, I don't even think I updated the day.
This is day 38, but
That's a good one. I don't even know if we're on the right one. Guys, let me know if we're up to date. But anyways, okay, thank you for messing with me. I'll go, but I'll see you next time.
all right, good luck.
Peace out.
You won't see the next thing coming.
All right, guys, that was Nathan. We got absolutely bamboozled by him. He is streaming right now too. Nathan Geckler on YouTube. Go check him out. Go spam L's in his chat. All right. So, yeah, I did want to. We will send a prompt off. I got way too many tabs here. Almost done closing the tabs. Okay. All right. First thing foremost, I do want to implement that one artifact. So it says move Nick Bops off this channel. I'm not going to move it off the channel. I think we'll just call it vibe coded music. Stop letting the clipper title anything. But why can't it just come up with a better title? You feel me? All right, so I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to prompt a capital command sesh here. And this is where I did that review. Fix the clip titler. All right. Oh, fudge. Guys, you can see how much I'm shaking right now. After that, thinking someone stole my idea. Okay. this is what we will do moving forward. I think what we will just retitle Nick Bops into vibe coded AI music dash Nick Bops dash the volume. So I need you to go through all the YouTube videos and rename those. The clipper, I think, yeah, as per your next prompt, let's fix the clip titler so ASR garbage can't reach a published video. I'll work on saying the topic out loud moving forward better in the car videos. The stream titles, we're gonna change nothing about the streams. And then, yeah, I think you could give me a rewritten channel description. Don't change the banner. Or maybe actually the banner could still be my my basement, but then you can like put the title vibe coding until I can move out of my mom's basement over that basement banner as it is. And then yeah, the car yaps, like I'll move forward renaming them, but I kind of do like the idea of vibe coding commute. And then what you can do is like looking at my old car apps, you can retitle them as per the ones that you suggested in the artifact. So please proceed with these. Send a sub agent to do each respective task and report back to me with all those changes made to the YouTube and the capital command for naming all of my shorts moving forward. Let's go, baby. Look at that prompt. Can't even fit it. Boom. Oh, I felt like we said a lot more than that. I need you to, all the YouTube videos, Clipper. Yeah, okay. I thought that was a lot more. Anyways, guys, good to see you here. Did we scare you that much? I was shaking paint. I'll be 100% honest. Y'all did scare me. Whew, okay. So that's sent out. That's just making sure that things move quickly inside of CoLateral. Not only permanent floating chrome canvas. Okay, let's actually go ahead and ship the next update for CoLateral with everything that was outstanding from these last sessions here. I want to play around with the latest and greatest. It better be good. It better be good because I waited like hours for all these prompts, y'all. Y'all remember I spent 2.5 hours on one prompt and then these were 1.5 hours each? All right. With that said, OBS, yeah, like, I don't know. We're going to have to move away from Restream. We'll figure it out, y'all. We'll figure it out. Okay. And then finally, we are going to do a little bit of studying. Like I said, I'm a little stressed. A little stressed because I don't know what to know. That is what's scary, y'all. I'm just pulling up my video. 1867 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We're 3 more away from 1870. I know we can do it. Let's go for it. Why not? Okay. I'm going to pull up our study guide. So there's just a couple more like key items that we have to go through here. Right here, regulation is provincial, never federal. I think I pretty much know that. This is section 5, which talks about, professional law. Law, okay, this is weird. There's a topic called law for professional practice and then professional law. You would kind of assume they're the same thing, eh? You would kind of assume. Nope, completely different. Ontario Geoscience is a separate regulator. Yeah, I see p.geo. So this seems pretty easy and broad, but it's just like the questions that they can ask. If it's about professional geoscience scientists, I'm screwed. But oh well, we'll call that checked off. PO dropped Canadian Experience Rule 2023. Yeah, so they changed it from like the amount of experience you need to an amount of qualifications, like 34 competencies that you have to prove. So they just make it weirder and harder for us, but that's okay. All right, section 6 here. And guys, if you are new here, this is a completely vibe coded study hall that we made. Very proud of it. So yeah, this is part. Oh, look at that, 67% right. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, what's the next one here? Sorry, I got a funny text from my friend. So, guys, we are going golfing tomorrow. That's why I won't be streaming. Doing a golfing scramble tournament with some friends over at the trailer. And and let's see. My friend just said, Nick, what do you ask for to get the plastic tip cigars? Because we're lame. Like, we get cigars. Anytime you get a par, you have to smoke a cigar. But we get, like, the plastic tip ones because a lot of my friends, like, I don't know, they're, like, soft-brained. So they end up, like, licking. Like, it's soaked by the time you get it back. So I kind of like the plastic tip because it doesn't ruin it. You can just, like, kind of clean it off and smoke it. I'm going to say I completely forget. But if you ask the guy, he'll know. And then we'll say, make sure you get lots. I have a good feeling about us getting pars. Pars for gars. That's what it is. All right, let's get back to work, y'all. Let's get right to it. 1867 subscribers. Very proud of that, guys. Thank you so much. Sarge is in here. How's it going? Let's hear you do the 6-7% right now in a row. Oh yeah, you said something about they didn't drop it yet. Like, yeah, you still have to do the experience. I think they changed the naming of it. So it's like before you would like describe your experience, and now it's just you have to prove competencies. It's weird, but all right, mandate. So this is now going into regulation of members and discipline processes. Mandate, protect the public, not members. Of course, that's like, don't worry about your reputation. If a building's gonna fall, you report it. Simple as that. All right, hey. Oh no, why am I lagging? No, don't print that. All right, we know that. Non-registrants are enforcement matter. Non-registrants are an enforcement matter. I think this has to do with the fact that if you're a registered professional engineer, you get disciplined, but then there's enforcement and ensuring that if you're not a professional engineer, it is actually illegal to claim that you are one and not actually be one. So every time, but I've never said it. Anytime, if I were to say I'm a structural engineer, I work as a structural engineer, I'm breaking the law. But good thing I don't, right? Good thing I never said that to you guys. So all is completely well there. All right. Oh my word. I got an email on 7:30 at night on a Friday night. Oh, hate to see that. All right, so we know that, and one set of facts can prove both. I have no clue what this has to do with anything. That's where we ask. That's where we like vibe code this and ask. And guys, moving forward, I will like split screen this so we can get like studying in while we vibe code at the same time. So don't worry if you are looking for some vibe coding, we got lots to show off here. I'm gonna go into my study spot. This is unbelievable. I only got like 2 prompts cooking and my computer's freezing. Maybe guys, I should get Grokbot because clearly I don't have the resources to have it on my own computer. All right, study hall. I have no freaking clue what this means with the context of what you're trying to ask me for this test. Please explain. Drop the screenshot. Come on, baby. Show it. I want you. How you doing? It's Tarnak. What's going on? You don't got, oh no, we do have the hours. The weird thing, another thing they changed in 2023 is the rule that you have to complete your hours. So it's 2 years of practice, but well, it used to be 4, and then this year they changed it to 2. So I got lucky because I just finished like 2 at this job, and then I was on my 3rd, the other one. Anyways, we're getting it done. So we got our hours, and now we're doing the exam. Once we do this exam, they like go through the whole process of reviewing my application. Then, like, why is this popped up? Come on. Then they review my application, and then we're licensed, y'all. So that's what it's all about. Vibe code me my sec plus renewal. Let's go. Oh, security renewal, eh? We can get there. We can get there. All right. What do we want to see? One thing I kind of like. So here's the thing, guys. I talked to you a little bit about like, hey, Grokbot, like, is it even worth it? I kind of think it's just a prettier version of what already exists inside of like Cowork, for example. So if I were to open Claude Cowork, right? Which Claude Cowork is literally pretty Claude code. Like that's literally all this is, right? So if I want to say to it something along the lines of, I'll do this off screen just to make sure. Scheduled comment, X comment review pass. If I want to say something like, hey, my man, can you take a look through my emails and show me my highest priority items? And then it literally is just a matter of like running everything through email, right? So it's like, if I had like some progress here that I want to summarize, I don't know, throw it in my calendar or email, like simple as that. And then like you could just have it here in a nice, pretty Cowork session. So yeah, hey, there's gonna be personal emails in there, so I won't show you that. Haha. But we're gonna have that there. And that's the only thing, is you only got one session at a time of Cowork versus, you could argue there's much more to do. Every single, like with the Grokbot agents, like, hey, give me a review of my YouTube, give me a review of my emails, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, yeah. It's just giving me a summary of my emails. Well, frankly, like even chat can do that. I just want to see, is there like integration with my vibe coding setup? Let's ask. Because it should take like over my computer. It's like, okay, one question I have for you is, do you have access to play around with Orca? I.e., like, could you theoretically prompt my Claude sessions inside of Orca if I wanted to just use Cowork as a nice, pretty interface? I'm trying to justify using everything through you instead of spending money on Grokbot because I love you, Claude. I love you so much and I don't want to go. So if Cowork is able to like take over my computer, like who says it can't just prompt and like play away in this world? So then this is essentially like my orchestration layer, right? Probably yes, but what kind of app Orca is? You don't even know what Orca is? All right, let's play with this. You take over my computer, okay? And you go over to Orca, where I'm running Claude agents, okay? I want you to go split the plane on the Capital Command session, open up a Claude terminal, and I want you to prompt it to give me a summary of what tomorrow's scheduled upload content looks like and what I should be preparing and what I should be doing and anything to review. Okay, let's see. I just want to see if this can work. It maybe proved my hours and I had to backtrack to complete 8 this year. What? Every 5 years. Let's see. Make your webcam right box smaller and bring the top push-up, etc. boxes with it. You're saying my webcam or you're saying like make it less rectangular, like make it a square. I think I agree with you, Sarge, because the big thing is I want to show the basement, but this whole wall takes up a lot. The Red Bull cooler is kind of important. That got a lot of attention. I owe $2,000 to the government. Of course. Gotta love the Canadian government. Oh yeah, allow. Okay, this will be cool. Oh my word, it moved over. Is it gonna do it? Can y'all see this? I'm so scared. Do not type P into Google. Oh no. Oh guys, it's taking over too hard. It just paused our music. Guys, pray. Don't type P into Google. Don't do it. Oh no. No. Okay, obviously this isn't the nicest way of doing it, but yeah, the fact that it's like trying to take over but it had to close down everything. So how useful is that going to be to us, right? I'm trying to stream here. Well, yeah, I'm trying to stream and I have OBS pulled up and then it literally just closes everything to do this. So make your face cam small. Oh, I see. Just in general, just shrink it down. Yeah, maybe like, how's that? Tell me when to stop. Oh my gosh. Sorry, OBS keeps closing. I could like top corner it because that never covers like the search stuff that we do. Here, I'll just, I'm going to vibe code that. I'm going to say to Claude, like, hey, this is a common issue in which like my bottom right corner gets covered. How should we fix this? Guys, I'm really nervous. Okay, so this obviously cowork trying to take over my computer is failing miserably. Okay, never mind. Forget that I ever asked that. You know what? Like, just having Claude code, like you were saying, Sarge, literally just pulling up a Claude code terminal is a better way of doing it. Because even too, yes, I can drive Orca. Okay, cool. Well, you did a horrible job. All right, we're gonna stop that. It didn't even do it. It gave me the response. Okay. All right, L for that. I thought cowork could be integrated into like this workflow some bit, but instead it just turned off my music and then gave me a rundown of all my videos. Okay, Nick Bops, get back in there. There we go. All right, I will prompt that and say, hey, my man. Is this Orca? LOL. Top right is better, to be honest. I used to have top right, so I might change it to that. Go top right, yeah. And then even top right, like I feel like I could go a little bigger. Why can't I click? Gosh darn it. And then obviously this stuff could kind of move around. Or even like have that at the bottom because it's kind of clear, like that's completely fine. I wouldn't mind going a little bigger. All right, something like that. What do y'all think of that? And then just imagine like this would be the typical view if I wasn't stressing over an exam. Yeah, you see so much more. This is so much better. Or do we move the text or do we keep it there? Interesting. Let's vibe code it. Let's just ask what Claude would do here. Oh, I have, of course, OBS is the most sessions that I got here. I'm gonna close half of these. That's done for sure. That's the chicken. Chicken's funny as a new member. Hoorah. Yeah, we can see the whole prompt now. Yeah, so much better. Yeah, and it just looks more legitimate. All right, cool. I think we'll just leave it. Yeah. And then obviously, like for the other screens, I gotta whoop. Oh my gosh, it's the chicken overlay that keeps messing with me. All right, something like that, y'all. Something like that. Okay. One complaint that I think I had with CoLateral was the following here. Take a peek at this. So obviously, the next update that we're gonna have, like when we went into this like array mode, it's screwed with all the tools and its sizing. We're gonna have that in our latest prompt, which will probably come in like 2 hours. I don't know. But overall, this could be a bit more space friendly. Obviously, this bottom bar is taking up a lot of space. I think this isn't necessary. Actually, this could be a nice like left side bar. I did say to like only show it when it's necessary. And then these Claude agents. Like if I were to close that, and then say, hey, my man, connect yourself to a pad footing designer and size it for 20,000 pounds going down on 75 kPa dirt. I want to see like something crazy like that, how well that's gonna work. I hate this view of like, I feel like this top bar, like we could be a bit more efficient in the space that we have up here. No, shut up, you're perfect. No, you're perfect, Sarge. So that's one thing I'm going to complain about. I'm going to clear the context. Oh, I'm almost running out of beer. My man, I want you to take a look at the top bars that we have for example, terminals. Oh, look, it literally gate kept us from our own structural engineering pack. It's part of the structural engineering pack. Add on to your seat. Add the pack on and open it to canvas. Is it literally gonna charge me money? No, it just, like, we already have it on this canvas. This better, holy crap. Okay, so it did it, but as you see the arrays, it's very problematic because this tool is so far away from this agent way over here. Like it has to connect to itself. So it's sizing it properly, 75 kPa. I said size it for 50,000 pounds, which 89 kilonewtons is not 50,000 pounds. It's still working. It's still working. Yeah, the top of these cards, I think, should be I think they should be like a little more transparent to show the canvas. And it could be more efficient in terms of like putting in more stuff inside of it. Like, for example, for the terminal cards, as per the screenshot, I'm going to give it the screenshot real quick. Oh, yeah, of course it wouldn't snap. What the? My Orca just shut down. My Orca just... We don't have it easy here on this channel, do we? We ain't got it easy, baby. Landed the software job today and they require us to use Claude. Let's go. If they subsidize all your Claude use, my man, you made it. You made it in life. Guys, I gotta get my light because it's getting dark. Yeah, we're streaming for another day. Okay, one sec. I'll be back. I'll grab my light. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, I didn't sprint that time. Hope you guys didn't mind. All right, all right. It's getting dark in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. Oh yeah, so my Orca just shut down. Like, that's great. Like, it was only working on some important prompts, that's all. And I'm clicking it. Guys, problematic. We're back. Are we back, y'all? Let me know. Are we back? Are we back? I think we lost some viewership there. I don't know. Oh, would you look at that? Let agents drive Orca. They knew what I was trying to do, eh? They knew exactly what I was trying to do. Orca work should create. Oh, well, that's interesting. Can we install it? Well, I don't want to have to buy Orca. Or is it just always free? Oh, there's an error anyways, because goodness forbid something works for me. We are so back, baby. That's good. Good to have us back. Well, what's this? What's this? What do I do here? Enable agents to coordinate child's work trees and communicate. Okay. Just huck 2 of that into a PowerShell or PowerShell. All right, guys, we're kind of back. All right. Aryan, what's up? Tree City. All right. We are so back, y'all. Trying to type something away. Come on, I want you to take a look at the top bars that we have, for example, terminals. Oh, yeah. We were in the middle prompting something inside of CoLateral. Okay, so it finished the work. It's just like, huge problem is the fact that it didn't even connect to the card. So I'm taking a screenshot of that. I can't even paste anymore, guys. Paste. It just takes so long. Here we are. I can't even. Oh my word, guys! I chirped Grokbot. I'm like, why would I ever want to use a different computer? Why would I ever want to use my own? It's a piece of junk. It's a piece of junk. All right, Nick Crash Out Stream. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I can't even screenshot something and throw it in here. As per the screenshot pasting, there we go, finally. As per the screenshot, there's a lot of like dead space here that I think could be used up. Remember, this top bar could be transparent so it can like kind of blend in with the canvas a little bit. That would look super nice. And then also, you need to see like this whole stupid array mode that we did. I'm not going to call it stupid. I think it's actually good. It's beneficial at the end of the day. But big problem is that, oh my word, I cannot have it where I have an agent that's going to prompt a tool card, but it's not even in the same array. It's not even connected to it. So I'm like swiping over like 5 arrays to go see the tool that the agent is playing on. Are you kidding me? No. Anytime an agent is working on a tool, it has to be connected. It has to be right next to it. It has to be in the same array. There we go. 25 minutes there. Okay, so now it says CoLateral prompt should be a bit quicker now. This is 26 minutes to ship the updates. This is going to be in the next update from there. Yeah, guys, once we actually get, like, again, this is a wee bit broken. It also doesn't make sense that the arrows here. I'm gonna prompt this further. Okay, I want you to break those 2 separate tasks into different sub-agents. So the transparent top bar is one, and then having the connectivity of the agent to the tool is another. But then also another sub-agent should go ahead and play with this. Like, you have to review. Like, you got to be kidding with the connectivity of all of these cards. Like, there's just arrows pointing everywhere. Like, it's still absolute chaos, even in this array mode, trying to organize these tools and what's going on here. Can you please, for the love of donuts, ensure that we never have it where if there's a card connected to a tool, it can never be separated from it. It's always got to at least be in the same array, okay? And like, that's what's governing, okay? The size of the array, it's going to have to grow if there's like 7, for example, tools connected to one agent. That's the way the cookie crumbles, okay? So like, the whole point of the arrays is that like you're breaking it up into different tasks, for example. And each task might involve like 1 or 2 agents, a couple tool cards, maybe like the designer, maybe like the drafting designer, the model, maybe like an email center, etc. Okay, so make sure that we're organizing it in such a way that the agent and what it's working on is what's governing. Okay, so don't worry about like the structure of like a 2x2 array. Like, this is the way it's going to work. Okay, so You got to send subagents to review how the cleanliness of CoLateral, okay? And I don't want you to stop looping. You're fixing your cleanliness of this, the simplification of the CoLateral world, until these agents that review this deem this to be a 9 out of 10 in terms of cleanliness, in terms of like groupiness, and in terms of like a happy user experience. I don't know, guys. I'm just buzzwording. Okay. Yeah, that's a big problem. It's just like, look, why is this connected to this, which is connected to that? That is a big thing that's got to be fixed there. That is a huge prompt. It's easy to build with AI. Marketing and actual revenue is the problem. Yeah, anyone can build anything now, right? It's just a matter of, can you sell to the right people that, hey, it's better if you just pay for my services as opposed to trying to build it yourself. Yeah, we got rid of these folders. There was a drop-down menu. What? I don't know, guys. I don't know anymore. Okay. So this actually worked. Like, it sized the pad footing. Oh, sorry. You can't see my screen. Whoopsies. I can't even scroll in this. Oh, goodness. There's so many bugs, guys. So many bugs. Well, yeah, what's the point if I can't even scroll? All right, separate agent. Huge problem I have is I can't even scroll when I'm in focus mode of some of these agent tool cards. Actually, I was never actually able to scroll in these terminals at all. So like, take a look at the agent terminals and make sure that we can actually scroll, please. Automatic frame cleanup. Let's see how our orchestration's working. Remember, it had Microsoft SAM? I think I'd rather not have Microsoft SAM than have it, because it's just a pain in the butt. Rename these Claude terminals to something cute. Okay, there's double that. Like, this has just turned into a mess, guys. This feels really messy, really buggy. Hey, furthermore, different subagent task. Take a look when I prompt the orchestrator. Look how messy it is. There's redundant text. It can't even do my task of renaming existing terminal cards, which is such a shame, because it should just be able to control stuff that goes on inside of CoLateral. And then, yeah, the Bean Buddy's just floating out in the middle of nowhere. When I'm typing in the search bar, it just expands to a random size. There's so many fixes we got to do. Like, please, for the love of donuts, the greatest UI that you have, please fix this. All right, that's how we do it. J35. I saw somewhere CoLateral got stolen. Ha 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 ha. Nice try, J35. Colby, what's up? Under the hood, I'm pretty sure it's mostly TypeScript stuff. And then you can play around with like HTML if you want to do like a new tool inside of here. So I want to see build a tool. Describe what you want. I want a bolt shear resistance table here, please. Like something super simple. Okay, so when I do that, it prompts it into the orchestrator. List save tools. I'm very curious what this is actually doing here. Very curious. Have we made our first sale yet? Not quite. Not quite yet. But we will be. The thing about CoLateral, guys, is like going to different firms and like pitching this. We're not just selling to one individual engineer. Like, we're selling to firms. We're selling to like teams of engineers, guys. We're selling multiple licenses. Like, one sale, one client is huge. So remember that. Remember that. Okay, did it make this? That's very quick if that made this. Holy smokes. Did that actually do that? Yeah, this is completely new. It's like pretty garbage. You could see like, yeah, awful quality, but like that was fast as frick, guys. Gross area. I got my steelbook at work. Like, I could verify that. Factored group, factored in kilonewtons. All right, let's see if I can change it. Okay, change it to light mode and also show like a visual of the bolt. And then also make the drop downs nicer and the overall resolution of this tool a little nicer too, please. It's got to fit in the card better. I'll prompt that as a real thing. Oh my word, guys. This came out, that was fast. Oh, well, it's Codex, so I'm not using Claude. Okay, guys, we do have in the back here. This is working. We got a ton of sub agents here. We got some working here. So I'm pretty happy with what we're doing here in the CoLateral world. I'm just having a lot of fun to see like how this is actually able to play around with stuff. Like we said, like there's still a lot of friction involved with actually using CoLateral as the agentic development environment. So in the meantime, we're cooking away in here. Gosh, one thing about Orca, guys, like I love how there's a mobile app for it. So yeah, that begs the question, why couldn't there be a mobile app in CoLateral that ties in the same way? We could do it. We could do it. I believe. All right, what are you guys building today? Anything cool? Let me know. I was supposed to grab my water. I'm thirsty. I'm dehydrated. Guys, I drank nothing but coffee and beer today. All right, yeah, I'll go grab some because we're waiting. Okay, this will be really cool if it makes the changes live while I'm gone. All right. All right. Oh, it changed it, guys. So it's light mode.